Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to make an inquiry and how to place an order.
First of all, my recommendation would be to go to your ChemSpace account and fill in the personal and delivery and billing information. Trust me, it will take just a couple of minutes, but save a lot of time in the future. How to inquire. For example, I got interested in this molecule, but none of the vendors provide price for 50 grams. That is why I can inquire by just clicking on the button over here. And all I have to do is fill in the comment box with 50 grams and click on the Inquire button, after which my colleagues will contact you as soon as possible regarding your inquiry. How to place an order. For example, I'm interested in these two compounds in a specific pack sizes. What I do, I'm adding them to my cart and then go to the cart. Here is it. If everything looks fine to me, I can proceed to the checkout. At this stage, I can check the delivery information and the contact person information. If everything is good, I go to the next step, billing information. I can click here, copy from the delivery address, and they will be the same. Or I can fill in the right one. Also here, I can go to the previous step or to the next one, the overview. Here I can check the shipment by clicking over here. And also I can see the shipping costs and handling costs. Going to the next step. Confirmation. Here I can once again double check all the information that was given in the previous steps. Also, I can place some notes over here. Then I have to click that I have read and agreed to the ChemSpace terms and conditions, and then submit the order. Then our team will contact you shortly with all the details.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our social networks.